afternoon, children. So in our earlier class we had discussed the chapter in your third term, the shoemaker and the elves. So what did we read in the earlier classes? That there is a shoemaker whose name is Rex, and he lived with his wife Rosie, and they don't have any money to buy new clothes, new leather to make shoes, and also they don't have any money to buy foods. So they just cut one piece of leather, and next day they found one big surprise, that is there is one pair of shoes. So likewise they just cut the leather into pieces, and next day they found new shoes. So that is the story. Up to this we had read, and we don't know that who helped the shoemaker and his wife. So today we are going to know about this. So that night Rex and Rosie saw 5 elves come in, dancing and singing. So the elves were very happy. They were singing and dancing, and there were 5 elves. Remember students, there were 5 elves. How many? 5. Now what is the meaning of elves? To know this, you have to come in page number 63. There it is written, the elves were kind and helpful, and you have to be also that much kind and helpful towards others. When a person or someone is in the need of help, you should go unhesitantly to help them. So the elves, they are very short-heighted, they are dwarf-like, and they are very happy. They singing and dancing, and they help others without informing them. Silently they help them and went away. So the elves sat down to work and stitched all the shoes. As they worked, they sang, "We were the 5 busy elves. We like to help anybody in need because we believe that everybody should have enough to eat." So this is their singing. I can't sing this song, but I am telling you the meaning of the lines. We are the 5 busy elves. So they are very busy. Busy in what? They are very busy in helping others. To help anybody in need, the person who is in need, who urgently needs help, they went to them and helped them. Because they believe that everybody should have enough money to buy foods. That's why they went to them to help them. The elves finished their work and went away. And if you see the picture, you will be seeing that the elves are in the size of the shoes. And we know the shoes are like this size. So the elves are also in this size. So elves are very short-heighted, and they are very kind and helpful. Next, Rosie is telling something. Such kind and helpful little people. 3 adjectives are used. Kind, helpful, little. I will make some clothes for them just to say thank you. So look, Rosie is willing to say thank you to them. Rosie is also very kind because she knows that they are very helpful. They helped them a lot because one night they didn't have anything to eat. They slept hungry. But now Rosie is very much thankful towards them. Thus she is willing to make some new clothes for them. Now look, there is also one preposition, that is for. Next, so Rosie stitched new clothes for the elves. The next night, the elves were very happy to find the lovely clothes in place of the leather. So the next night, Rosie and Rex did not place any leather. They placed some piece of clothes for the elves just to say thank you. And happily they put them on. Put on means wear. Okay, as you wear your dress, your uniform, your shirt, pant, that is put on. You are wearing your shirt, that means you are putting on your shirt. So happily they put them on. Them means the clothes, and danced out of the shop. Rex did not need their help anymore. Rex is now very much in the condition that he can make the shoes with the leathers, because he has sufficient money to buy leathers, and he is already a shoemaker, so he can make shoes. So this is the story. The question answers, some are given in your WhatsApp group, and the rest question answers I will be giving you in your WhatsApp group. Till then, thank you, have a good day. And also let me tell you, the next day we will be reading also a story. Thank you, have a good day.